Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great. I'm going to be doing the Lodge Recipe of the Month. It's also going to be the Cast Iron Wednesday because we actually do eat chicken along with our turkey for Thanksgiving, and that's what these next 2 months are going to be. Sides and main dishes for Thanksgiving meals. So I am going to take and spatchcock this chicken, and then I'm going to chop up some potatoes and going to season everything down, and we'll see how everything turns out. Alright guys, got the chicken and the potatoes all seasoned up. I went ahead and used Southwest Kick on the chicken, and I used the Sizzling Citrus on the potatoes. In the recipe that they had plus the video, they just put the other skillet on there. I don't believe in skillets that don't do much work, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take with the second skillet that's on top of the chicken holding it down, I'm going to put the potatoes in it and actually have it cooking the potatoes while the chicken's cooking also. Hey guys, just want to show the skillets I'm going to use. This is a 10SK. It's a modern style, but it's actually a little older. If you notice up there, there's no Lodge. And then the one that I'm going to have on top is an 8SK I finished today also. And this one's got a cool little heart logo on it. So we'll get this up to temperature. It's on low now, coming up slowly. And we'll crisp the chicken, and then we'll take and put it all in the oven. Alright guys, we got it in there skin side down. So it's going to cook here for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then we'll take and flip it over. And that's when the skillet will go on it now, but I'll put the other skillet on, and then we'll put the potatoes in, and then put everything in the oven. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. It's a double decker, and soon it'll have the potatoes in the top. We'll let it sit here for about another 4 minutes, and then we'll have to flip the chicken, put the skillet back on, and then we'll take and put the potatoes on the top, and then we'll put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Alright guys, just flip the chicken. Look at that, that's going to be good. Alright, I'm going to take and get the potatoes, get it ready to go in the other skillet. One thing I did notice about this little chicken, it must have had a rough time because the skin's peeled back on it. And it's missing a wing. Poor guy. Alrighty, I'm going to get the potatoes on. I'll take another shot right after I do the double stack. Alright guys, we're moving on up. We got 2 layers. It's about to go in the oven. We shall see how it turns out. We're going to give it 25 minutes. Alright guys, we've moved the skillet off to the side so we can finish cooking potatoes. It's going to sit like this, cook for about 10 minutes to get all crispy, and then I'll check the temperatures on it. Alright guys, everything's done. Check the temperatures on the chicken. Chicken's totally done, ready to go. Potatoes are good. Everything's great. I'm going to be posting this early because I have doctor's appointments this week, so I won't be able to put it out on Wednesday, so I'll probably put it out either tonight or tomorrow. Hope everybody has a great week, and we'll see you next Wednesday.